Welcome to Auto Reviews. Today, we dive into the epitome of luxury, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom. With its unmatched elegance, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled craftsmanship, the new Phantom continues to set the gold standard in the world of ultra-luxury sedans. Let's explore what makes this masterpiece truly extraordinary. Timeless design, modern refinements. At first glance, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom looks as majestic as ever. However, subtle refinements bring it into the modern era. The signature Pantheon grille is now illuminated, adding a sophisticated glow at night. The laser headlights offer superior visibility, while the sleek body lines create an aura of effortless grace. Rolls-Royce has also introduced new bespoke color options, allowing owners to personalize their Phantom like never before. Unrivaled interior luxury. Step inside, and you enter a world of absolute luxury. The 2025 Phantom's interior is a sanctuary of comfort. Every surface is wrapped in the finest leather, meticulously hand-stitched by master artisans. The wood veneers are selected from rare sources, ensuring each Phantom has a unique character. The iconic Starlight headliner now offers customizable celestial patterns, letting you create your own night sky inside the car. Next-level technology and comfort. Technology blends seamlessly with tradition in the new Phantom. The digital instrument cluster and infotainment system feature an ultra-high-resolution OLED display, offering crystal-clear graphics. Rear passengers enjoy a first-class experience with reclining, massaging seats, a premium entertainment system, and even a built-in champagne cooler. The new active noise-canceling technology ensures the cabin remains whisper-quiet, making every journey feel like floating on a cloud. Power and performance, silent strength. Beneath the hood lies a 6.75-litre twin-turbocharged V12 engine, producing 563 horsepower. But raw power isn't the focus here, it's about effortless performance. The updated 8-speed satellite-aided transmission predicts road conditions and adjusts gear shifts for an ultra-smooth ride. Whether you're in the driver's seat or being chauffeured, the Phantom delivers an unmatched level of refinement. The ultimate statement of luxury. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom isn't just a car, it's a statement. A symbol of prestige, craftsmanship, and innovation. With new enhancements in design, technology, and comfort, Rolls-Royce has once again redefined automotive luxury. So, is the Phantom still the king of luxury sedans? We think the answer is clear. That's all for today's review on Auto Reviews. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth luxury car reviews. What do you think of the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.